Okay, so for example, you have a PowerPoint presentation already. No? So I'll be able to convert our PowerPoint into video with audio recording. No? Now, what you're going to do is to click slideshow, then record slideshow. Click. Now, so as you can see here, we had a record. Now, click record. 1, 2, 3. Then, you may start. For example, good morning, classmate, or good afternoon, classmate. I am Marmelo Abante, who was assigned to discuss the introduction or history of the production in operation management. Now, production operation management is the process of combining and transforming the diverse resource employed in the organization's production's operations, subsystems into value-added products, services in an unregulated way in accordance with the organization's rules, and as the result, it is the part of an organization that is responsible for converting a variety of inputs into the necessary product or services with the required quality levels. For example, you're finished with this first slide, the next slide. Now, the production function is the part of an organization responsible for converting a variety of inputs into the required outputs or products of the specified quality level. The step-by-step conversion of one form of a material into another form through a chemical or mechanical processes to create or enhance the utility of the products to the user, according to the definition of the production. As the result, production is a value-adding process. There will be a value addition at each level of the processing. Next, for example. The part of the organization's production system that creates product is known as the production system. It is the activity of combining and transforming resources moving inside a defined system in a regulated manner to generate value in accordance with management policies. Next. Then, okay, thank you for listening. Then, if you have some question, please raise your question now. Okay, so for example, you already finished. What you're going to do right after recording, no, just click this one and make it in high, no, make it full, no. So by one, all slide, it must be a full, no, to have a higher sound. Okay, then after that, file, save as. For example, locate the folder. For example, I just want to save this one in this folder. Tutorial, for example, the name. Video, PPT to video. Then, save as type. MPEG-4 video. Then save. Then as you can see here at the bottom, no, creating video tutorial PPT to video MP4. So it's still on saving. So you just wait. But if you have a 1 hour recording recorded video, so therefore it also save for a long time, no? You need also to consume time in saving the PowerPoint into video. So we will just simply wait to finally save the PPT into video.
Question, sir.
We're still saving, no? As you can see here. We just wait to finish this in saving this video. Then so once it is done, then you can file save this one. We just stop sharing first. Then locate the file. Locate the video file. So the file name is tutorial video. So double click. So as you can see here, good morning classmate, or good afternoon classmate, I am Marvel Apante, who was assigned to discuss the introduction or history of the production in operation management. Now, production operation management is the process of combining and transforming the diverse resources employed in the organization's productions operations subsystems into value-added products, services,